She's 44. She runs a team of 40 people. She's sleeping poorly, gaining weight around the midsection despite not changing her diet, and experiencing cognitive fog that's affecting her work in ways she can't quite explain to anyone. She goes to her gynecologist. The answer: you might be in perimenopause. It's normal. Give it time. What her gynecologist didn't tell her: that she's already losing bone density, that her cardiovascular risk profile is shifting, that the hormonal changes driving these symptoms have measurable, addressable causes, and that the window during which intervention is safest and most effective is right now, during perimenopause, not after. Wait and see is not evidence-based care for perimenopause, and today I'm going to tell you what the evidence actually says. I'm Dr. Trevor Turner, founder of Pravida Health in Atlanta. Women's hormonal health during the perimenopausal transition is one of the most medically underserved areas in medicine, not for lack of evidence, but for lack of willingness to apply it. The story of hormone therapy is one of the most consequential medical misinterpretations of the past 25 years. I'm going to break that down today, what the 2002 WHI study actually showed, what 2 decades of subsequent research has clarified, and what a complete female hormone assessment should look like in 2026. Perimenopause is not a smooth decline in estrogen, it's volatile. Estradiol fluctuates widely, sometimes spiking above premenopausal levels, sometimes dropping precipitously. This volatility, not just the overall trend, drives many of the most disruptive symptoms. Progesterone typically declines before estradiol, often before the first missed period. This creates a state of estrogen excess relative to progesterone that drives anxiety, sleep disruption, breast tenderness, and heavy or irregular bleeding that women notice in their early to mid-40s. And testosterone, which women produce in their ovaries and adrenal glands at much lower levels than men, declines gradually from the mid-30s onward. Low female testosterone presents as reduced libido, difficulty maintaining muscle mass, reduced energy, and cognitive changes. A 2025 survey of over 4,400 U.S. women found that 83% of perimenopausal women reported hot flashes, 74% reported fatigue, and critically, significant symptoms were present even in women aged 30 to 35 with confirmed perimenopause. This is not an older woman's problem, and it's not just hot flashes. 2 longevity consequences that get almost no attention in routine perimenopausal care: bone. Up to 20% of lifetime bone loss happens during the menopausal transition. 1 in 2 postmenopausal women will develop osteoporosis. The bone loss is already happening during perimenopause, years before most women will ever have a bone density test. Cardiovascular risk. Before menopause, women have substantially lower cardiovascular disease rates than age-matched men. After menopause, that gap disappears. The proportion of women at intermediate to high cardiovascular risk nearly doubles between ages 51 and 55. Estrogen isn't just managing hot flashes, it's actively protecting your bones, your arteries, and your brain. Let's talk about the 2002 Women's Health Initiative. This is the study that scared an entire generation of physicians away from hormone therapy and led to a drop in HRT prescribing from 22% to less than 5% of menopausal women within a decade. Here's what the WHI actually studied: women with an average age of 63, not perimenopausal women, but women averaging 12 years past menopause, taking oral conjugated equine estrogen plus medroxyprogesterone acetate, synthetic formulations that are biologically different from what's used in modern clinical practice. When the results were reanalyzed by age and time since menopause, the picture changed dramatically. Women who initiated hormone therapy within 10 years of menopause or before age 60 showed trends toward reduced coronary heart disease. Women who initiated 20 or more years after menopause, those are the ones who saw increased cardiovascular risk. This became known as the timing hypothesis, and it has been repeatedly confirmed in subsequent research. The 2024 meta-analysis of 19 randomized controlled trials covering over 40,000 postmenopausal women who initiate estrogen therapy within 10 years of menopause, show a 50% reduction in cardiovascular mortality and myocardial infarction. 50% for women who start early. The WHI was studying the wrong population. The Danish osteoporosis prevention study followed recently menopausal women for 10 years on HRT and another 6 years of follow-up. Significantly reduced mortality, heart failure, and myocardial infarction. No increase in cancer or stroke. So what does modern evidence-based hormone therapy look like? Estrogen, transdermal 17-beta estradiol, not oral conjugated equine estrogen. Transdermal delivery avoids first-pass liver metabolism, substantially reduces VTE risk, and provides more physiological hormone delivery. Progesterone, for women with a uterus. Micronized progesterone, not synthetic progestins like medroxyprogesterone. Micronized progesterone carries a more favorable breast cancer risk profile, improves sleep, and has neutral to positive effects on mood and cognition. Testosterone. Low-dose transdermal testosterone for women with clear androgen deficiency. This is one of the most underused tools in women's hormonal health. Clinical research shows testosterone in postmenopausal women increases muscle protein synthesis by approximately 50%, improves insulin resistance, reduces inflammation, and supports bone density. Women who've had their ovaries removed lose 50% of their testosterone immediately, and most are never tested or treated for this. In my practice, I've seen women whose perimenopause had a straightforward hormonal solution: low progesterone driving anxiety and poor sleep, low testosterone driving muscle loss and libido changes, and undertreated thyroid contributing to metabolic slowing. None of these were diagnosed because no one ran the panel. The complete panel I recommend for perimenopausal women: estradiol and FSH on days 2 to 4, estradiol and progesterone on days 19 to 21, total and free testosterone DHEAS, SHBG, TSH, free T3. And a DEXA bone density scan. That's not an exotic workup, that's basic information, available to every woman going through this transition, and almost never offered in routine care. If you've been in perimenopause and been told to just manage symptoms, sleep aids, antidepressants, or simply patience, I'd encourage you to push for a complete evaluation. The evidence for appropriately timed, properly formulated hormone therapy is strong, and the window during which it's most effective is precisely the perimenopausal period. At Pravida Health, we offer comprehensive female hormone assessment and individualized hormone optimization across our membership tiers. The link to schedule a consultation is in the description below. Subscribe for evidence-based longevity content every week. I'm Dr. Trevor Turner at Pravida Health.